sucker out. I think I'm gonna have to take my ring off. That's my watch.
Take your ring off. And are we ready to start this project, by the way?
Yeah.
I think we are. And the first thing on this project, we're gonna take this spout off. If you've ever wanted to take one of these spouts off, we're gonna show you how it's done right now. And yours might be slightly different than this one, but just watch and learn is what it's about here. Okay, I guess I'm going to get in there, huh? Am I going to do this, or did you want to do this?
I want to do some of it.
You want to do it?
Yeah.
Okay, well, you can get in the well, I guess you could do it right from there. First off, you're going to need an Allen wrench. Remember we decided that that tub spout has an Allen wrench setting on it.
Does?
Yes. Remember on the side, underneath it, there should be a little hole, and if you turn that, can you turn it to the right like you're tightening it? Does it slide?
Yeah, it does.
Yeah, see? Now it slides over to the left as far as you can, and see right there in that little side. Yeah, that hole right there, there's an Allen wrench.
This one?
Yeah, right
there?
Right there.
Oh yeah?
Remember? There's an Allen wrench size. Okay, so
well, I need my readers.
Okay.
Because I can't see that.
Stand by. She's going to get her readers on, and we're going to open up this Allen wrench set, and we'll be right back to show you how to get that spout off.
No, you gotta edit this.
No, we're not editing this. Forget that mess. Yeah, see, this, if yours slides just a little bit, see, it can slide from there to there, and that tells me that it's on copper. And there's an Allen wrench set screw underneath there, and we've got to get that off, and then this is going to pull straight off. Now yours, if it's on a galvanized threaded piece, you may just have to grab this and unscrew it, or there might be a set screw down underneath it anyway. See, that set screw's underneath it like that, see? Okay, so if you can't see it, feel around for it, and if it doesn't have anything, unscrew it with your hands or whatever. Okay, so the first thing we've got to do is loosen up that set screw.
This one works.
We are live again. Here we are at the tub.
The tub.
Yes. Okay, so you got the Allen wrench.
Yes, I found
out.
the right
You found the right one. Okay.
The size is 5/32.
5/32.
5/32.
Okay. Now, not everybody's going to be the same. Get the Allen wrench set out and try to fit it in there. She's trying to do this all on her own. Usually I do things and try to show people, but I'm showing Momi how to do this. Okay, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Have you ever heard that?
Yes, I have.
There you go. See?
Let's go.
Okay, good. And that's why I like the small Allen wrenches by hand like that. You can get them in a set, with one big handle, but then it usually hits the side of the wall. So this one, see how you can get it.
Can I use my drill?
I wouldn't use my drill on this. Just do it by hand. I know you like to get that drill out because it feels powerful underneath your fingers. And she's got a yoga mat here for her knee pad. I like that. That was a slick idea you had there. Okay. Hope you don't get your fingernails all messed up here, young lady.
Here.
Okay. Keep going.
Right. It popped out.
Okay.
Kind of difficult.
Yeah, because it's been on there. How old is this place? 30 years old? Okay.
It's probably about that. At least 20.
You don't necessarily have to get it unscrewed all the way.
I don't?
Well, get it as far as you think, and then try to wiggle that back and forth and pull it off. Can you get it? Careful. Oh, yeah. Let's see what it looks like on the inside. See, it's got a plastic fitting here. And like I say, not all of them are the same. So all she did was undo that set screw right there, and that screw came in there, and it held on this little gadget here. And this is a copper pipe, 1/2 inch, and there's a sleeve. So now that has to slip off. Can you get that off?
Probably with a wrench.
Okay. Can you wiggle it with your hand? Will it just slide off?
Let me see.
I don't know if that'll come off or not. That's away.
wait a minute. I might be able to. No.
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 And see, sometimes that might have a set screw on it. Look on the side of it and see if there's any set screw.
There isn't.
That's where that other screw fit in that little slot, but there's nothing on there, is there?
No, there isn't anything.
Okay, so let's try your channel locks. You've got some channel locks over there?
Yeah, I do. That okay. Here.
Or if you have a set of pliers. Okay. Just kind of loosen it. Try to loosen it. So loosen, if you're facing it, lefty loosey, righty tighty. I don't think it really matters, but you're gonna try going the other way. Try going down.
Okay.
Okay. And see if you can kind of pull towards me as you're going. Without breaking off the copper pipe, please.
Yeah, that wouldn't be good.
Okay, hold on.
I'm just wondering if
see
this
here's
thing...
a rubber washer. Let's try to get that out of the way. And
maybe
feel on that. See, it feels like it's wanting to come, but I think there's something else in there. See how
it looks like it's like...
And there's no set screw on here, is there?
No, there isn't.
If you can't get it off, you could always cut this with a hacksaw, but I wouldn't do that just yet.
I don't think I have a hacksaw.
Yeah, I know you don't. I've already looked. Okay, try to twist that again with the channel locks.
Going down?
Yeah. And try to pull towards me as you're doing it. Easy, easy there. Oh, don't scratch the wall.
I can't.
Okay.
I just can't.
You can't.
Can I hold the camera? You can try.
I don't like that word.
Okay,
can't.
I know I don't like to use it either.
Okay.
But
let's get
in
this
case
let's get this set up here.
Really
Kaboom.
Cannot budget.
Okay, let me try.
And I'm strong.
I know you are, baby. Okay. Let's just see what I can do here. Let me get the channel locks repositioned, maybe. No, that's too far. How am I doing on the screen there?
You look great.
Okay. Look at that.
Oh, babe.
Look at that.
Huh. How'd you do that? It's like
I don't know. It just kind of came. It was kind of wedged on there because it's old and it has some alkaline on there. I can even feel, wow.
Is that like tape?
No, that if you feel on there, it feels like something has gouged into the copper pipe a little bit. Feel that right there.
I see that. Are we gonna have to get some
sandpaper, some emery cloth?
Yeah, or something like that.
I don't know.
Probably that wouldn't be a bad thing.
Okay, well, anyways, that's.
Don't put it back on.
I know, but that's the first step. Getting that off of there. This is 1/2 inch copper, and it just comes out here. Now we've got to look on your spout, don't we?
Can I turn on that water and see if it comes out?
It will, but then you'll get the camera wet. You'll get the floor of the bathtub wet, and then you'll get me all wet. You'll have to dry that up again. Are you sure you want to do that?
No, I don't.
Okay. Okay, so what are we ready for? We're ready for this thing here. And like I said, there's directions on the back of this, and we're probably going to have to read these.
We are.
Okay, and we got the universal one, and we're hoping that it's going to fit. And voila, here's the directions, the handy dandy directions. And there's some more things in here. We have not done this before. See, there's a little Allen wrench here. There's a plastic threaded goodie here. We might not even use that. That might be if we're in with a galvanized pipe or something. And then we've got to figure out how we're going to have to do this. So we're going to sit here and read the directions for a minute. I believe that's what we're going to do.
Yes.
Ooh, look at that. See, that comes out. We're going to, ooh, something else fell out.
We're going to have to close that drain. I don't want to fish anything out of there.
Yes, keep your drain closed in the tub if you can. Okay, and I got to remember how all this stuff went back together. I believe that was on that, and then that goes down in there. Okay, so we're going to read the directions and see how this works, because I believe this fitting gets put on here like that. We're gonna have to slip that on there. And I think there's a little set screw on there, right there. Okay. So we'll take a few minutes here and get right back to you.
Hey, what are you doing?
That's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos. High five.
Ding!